Welcome to our tutorials, your one-stop shop for all your tech hacks. Before we move on to this tutorial, my request to you is please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, comment. A lot of friends have been asking me how do we get the tech help. So feel free to drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to address them. So today's hack is about how do you filter the search results in YouTube to make it more relevant, to get it more interesting. So today we are going to learn some of the cool hacks on YouTube. So let's say you are searching for, let's say something really cool. Let's say tiger hunt. Let's say you search something, it shows about uh, millions of records out there, but let's say you want to filter these results down into something very narrow and particular to what you're looking for. So you can use this filter option. You can see here it says open search filters, and you'll see a lot of options that comes up. Now let me explain you each one quickly. So upload date, so this way you can search for last hour, so whichever was uploaded in an hour or so, which are uploaded today or this week or this month or this year. So that way you can search or filter your search results by date. The next one is what type of the videos that you're looking for, whether it's a movie, whether it's a channel or a video or a playlist. So you can click on any of these. This is my favorite, which is duration. So if you're looking for something which is around short or a long one, so you can click on that. I'll show you the demo in a while, just to walk you through the features like 4K HD, if subtitles, especially if you are watching some videos which you want them to have subtitles. Click on this option and sort by relevance, like when was the upload or view count. If you want to see which one is the most popular by based on views, so you can sort by that or by the ratings. So let's do a quick run through this. I'm going to click on short. So I'm telling YouTube that in my search results I just want to see the filtered results which are less than 4 minutes, which are short. So you see the timing now is only 142, 133. So these are all short videos, I would say. You can see how you can even cancel this selection, and now it will be back to the all the results. I'm going to say show me all the videos that were done uploaded today. So these are all the videos that you see 1 hour ago, 11 hours ago, 21 hours ago. So these are all something which were uploaded today. So if you want multiple, select, I have selected today, and which are less than 4 minutes. So you see all the videos which were uploaded today, but and also are short. So you see both the selections are on. So this way you can add a lot of filters and make sure that you narrow your search results. So if you see out of million, now we have only 53 results based on this selection that I have done, which is today and short minutes. So this way use this filter option, which is very useful to kind of narrow down your search results and get exact videos or content that you're looking for. So hope this was a really quick easy hack that you like. I'm sure this will help you a lot in saving a lot of time in searching for content quickly. If you like my tutorial, if you like this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get latest videos. You're by subscribing, you're supporting me and the channel. This is my only encouragement to keep continuing and bringing you more cool tech tutorials. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials.